For the linear function h, graph of y equals h of x in the xy plane passes through the points 721 and 925. Which equation defines h? So we have these 2 points, 721, 925, on the xy plane, and they would look something like this, and a line passes through them. Here we'll call this point A and this point B, where this is point A and this is point B. And we need to find which of these equations defines h. So this is a linear function, so the linear function is expressed in the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So we can find the slope of this linear line by dividing the change in y over the change in x between these 2 points, or the rise over the run. So here, this quantity here is the change in x, and this one here is the change in y, going from here to here, and then up this from A to B. So the change in y is going to be the difference in the y values. So we can subtract 21 from 25. And the change in x, we can do the same, where we do 9 minus 7. So this just equals 4 over 2, which is just equal to 2. So that means the value of m is 2. The slope of this line is 2. Then to find the value of b, we can just plug in one of these points using the slope and solve for b. So we know that, let's take point A, for example. We know that when we have this y equals 2x plus b, where 2 is the slope, b is the y-intercept, if we can plug in the value of 7 and 21, because these are xy coordinates, into the values of x and y. So y will be 21, and then x will be 7. And we'll multiply that with 2, the slope, and we'll just be left with b. So now we can just solve for b. So we can multiply this out to get 21 equals 14 plus b, and then we can subtract 14 from each side. This will leave us with 7 on the left and b on the right. So that means the value of b is 7. So now we can plug in both of these pieces of information into the slope-intercept form. So y equals 2x plus 7. And that is answer choice B.